Hey everyone, looking at notes O-1, there's something that I typically go over with in class, and since some of you won't be in class, I want to talk with you about it. Here on problem number 5 on notes O-1, as I was going through the video, I did say right here at this part when I was solving for X, okay, that you would plug this in the calculator and get this answer. And so I just want everyone to be aware that you can use the graphing calculator on this lesson. The graphing calculator is nice because, like you notice here, I use the alpha y equals key to create the fraction, to type in -9 times tangent of 28 degrees, so on and so forth. And I did check the mode to make sure that I am in degree mode. So I've typed this fraction into the calculator, hit enter. And of course, you know that we're rounding to 3 decimal places all year. So hence why I put 9.777. Okay, because I rounded to 3 decimal places. However, what I want you to be aware of and what I'm going to discuss in class is, while you write this on paper, when you're solving for y, notice I'm not going to type into the calculator 9.777 times tangent 45.6 degrees. I'm going to use the true non-rounded answer for X. Okay, so you should not round in the calculator, like you should not take your rounded answer and times that by tangent of 45.6 degrees. You should use the true non-rounded answer. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. If you have a newer graphing calculator, you can just go ahead and hit times. You could just hit times and then tangent 45.6 degrees, okay? And it will automatically type in this answer here for you. You can also get the answer, have it type up the answer on this calculator by doing second. And then down here, do you see that answer? So second answer means you'll have answer there. So answer times, and then of course, tangent 45.6. Or lastly, again, if you have one of the newer calculators, you can always go back up and highlight the previous answer and then type times tangent 45.6. So there's a couple of different ways, but just make sure you're not using the rounded answer from the paper. You're using the true actual answer from the calculator. Okay, because if the earlier you round when you're working, then the more off your number is going to be, okay, from the true value. So you don't want to do that, okay? So just make sure that you don't round in the calculator, just round when you're writing on the paper. And then that brings me to another thing, like here, for example, when you're doing area, here, and this is pi, you don't want to type in 3.14 times 4.663 raised to the second for multiple reasons. Okay, first of all, 3.14 is a rounded number for pi. Okay, so you want to use the pi button. All these calculators should have a pi button. Mine is second and right here, so that's the pi button. Okay, make sure that you're using the pi button. And again, also you don't want to use 4.663 because that was a rounded number from this right here, from this value right here. So you would want to make sure and use the true value, not the rounded value. So that's it for today. Thank you.